Stacey Solomon has laughed off fans' concerns about her heavy breathing as she addressed their worries. The Loose Women star, 34, recently enjoyed a festive trip away with her husband Joe Swash and kids to Jamaica, where they spent New Year's Eve. However, the luxurious getaway did not go to plan after the mum of 5 was rushed into hospital and placed on an IV drip, which she has described as the worst ending to her holiday. Stacey has since returned to the UK and told fans she ended up in hospital after feeling like she had come down with the flu. The former I'm a Celebrity winner received medical assistance before flying home and has been sharing updates on her health since she got back, The Mirror reports. However, fans are not convinced and have been voicing their concerns to her through social media after Stacey shared one particular clip of herself to Instagram. The footage she shared was a cleaning video where her breathing could be heard heavily in the backgrounds, which prompted a raft of worried messages about it. Stacey sat down in a relaxing bath to address their concerns as she said, "Just sitting in the bath, reading through your messages, and how embarrassing. Loads of you are like, oh, your breathing sounds really bad. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. Because on that video, I just left it because I thought I couldn't be bothered to scroll through and find music for it. And people like those clickety-clack things nowadays, so I thought to leave it as it is, and at the end, it sounds like I'm about to tell Luke I'm his father. Imitates heavy breathing. It's because my nose is blocked and it sounds that bad, I'm okay. It's been up there for so long as well. I can't even take it down." Stacey previously talked about her sudden ill health as she took to social media to share a photo of the best nurses in the world, her 2 dogs Teddy and Peanut. She wrote in the caption of her post, "Thank you for all of your kind messages. I'll be back to life soon. Loads of you asking what it actually was. I rambled in for 5 minutes and still didn't say. It was an infection in the end that was causing my fever, but antibiotics are working well, so fingers crossed they'll get rid of it completely." The Loose Women panelist first discussed her experience in a video on Instagram as she told worried fans, "I know it feels like I've just fallen off the face of the earth the last few days, and I promised I'd come home and get straight into our January sort out together." She continued, "I'm so sorry, but we had like the worst exit to Jamaica of all time. I can't even get over what's happened. It doesn't feel real. Today's the first day I've felt like I can walk around the house and feel like normal."